Hi, I'm Phil Svitek, 360 Creative Coach, and New Year, New You, am I right? Well, that's what I sort of want to talk about. I want to talk about how to help you achieve your New Year's resolutions or goals, whatever you want to call them. But before I fully dive into it, I would like to take the opportunity to invite you to subscribe if you haven't already. That way you get all the various lessons and episodes that I put out right when I put them out. Thank you if you just did, and thank you if you already were. It truly does mean a lot to me. I hope it does to you. So let's get into this, right? I want you to have lofty ambitions, right? Go dream big, as they say, right? Go for the gold, the brass ring, whatever. And that's all great. However, what you also have to do is create action steps that get you there. And, you know, it's almost ironic. The people we look at as some of the most successful, however you want to define that, but in the Venn diagram of society, the people that we can point to, as extraordinary, most of them will tout their routines and so forth, right? So number one, know that going after your dreams is not just one big giant action step, one big swing and it achieves it. No, it's small actions over a sustained period of time. That is what really success is all about. Okay? Number one. So by that definition, when you look at your New Year's goals, break them down into manageable action steps. Okay? And in fact, what I want you to do is to highlight, what can you do within the next 7 days? That's right. From the time of listening to this, what can you accomplish towards that lofty goal within 7 days? Not beyond that, within 7 days. Because part of it is we create these goals and we think we have all this time. And, in some sense we do. But that doesn't mean we shouldn't progress, right? And the longer time goes by that we don't move forward, we don't get to it. And then it'll end up on next year's list or get forgotten or whatever. So within 7 days, what can you do to move forward? Consider that, right? And then once you get to the next week, what can you do from that? Right? So that's how you move towards your goal, is you make that lofty ambition, but then you create the action steps along the way. You break it up into manageable parts instead of these giant big swings. And be as specific as you can. Okay? Don't just say, I'm going to work on the project this week. No. Okay? It could be, on Monday, Thursday, and Saturday, I'm going to devote an hour towards working on this. Okay, cool. And then for that, what are you aiming to accomplish within that 1 hour, right? So always, the way to achieve our goals is to be as specific as we can, and also in that way, regular, right? So creating routines. So that is how to approach your New Year's resolutions. I hope this helps you. If you have any questions or comments or thoughts of your own, please share them down below in the comment section or hit me up on social media at Phil Svitek. I really want to make this collectively our best year ever, right? 2022 is going to be our year. I'm full of optimism. So however I can help you on that journey, don't hesitate to ask for it. So thank you. I appreciate you. Hope to see you next time.